Hey guys, how are you? Hope everybody is doing well. Hope you're doing well. All is well with you. Hope you're living a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone. Yeah, so this is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction. So yeah, I know that you guys were enjoying our snow videos. So I am doing a live and direct. You know, it's really snowing today. We are getting a snowstorm. I'm out and about. I dropped off one of my children to get their hair cut. So in this particular neighborhood, I noticed that there's a Dollar Tree and it looks like a little grocery store because I needed to go to those two places because I said since it's snowing like this, I wanted to make a little soups, a couple of nice soups or whatever. So since I was over here, or since I saw this, I didn't even know that this Dollar Tree is actually new, because this used to be, if I'm not mistaken, some kind of resale, like a what do you call it, like a Salvation Army or something like that. But it's a Dollar Tree now, and I think it's a grocery store on the other side, but I'm not sure. But anyway, so I wanted to show you guys and try to let you see this snow. And I walked out without my vlogging camera, which makes pictures so crisp and beautiful. So I'm not sure if you can even see. Oh, you can. Okay, I think you can see this snow. Isn't this great? So yeah, and this is the snow, and it's a nice thick, this is that good snow that makes good snowballs. Let me see, let me make one. Sorry, I'm getting my phone wet because I don't have my vlogging camera. Okay, so it makes good snowballs, guys. So you can, I'm gonna throw it at these people. I don't know them, but I'm gonna throw it at them anyway. That's bad. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this snow. Is coming down really heavy. So hopefully, like I said, we were getting a haircut. So hopefully I'm gonna run in here to this Dollar Tree. And I even wish that I didn't, because I have the grocery store that I was going to is in our neighborhood. But if they have a grocery store that's here, I would love to go to it, so that I don't have to go to 1,000 different places and all of that. I was trying to show you guys how the snow was actually coming down or whatever. But yep, this is it. This is it. And like I said, it's that good thick snow. It's the snow you lay down in and, you know, swing your arms, and they call them snow angels. Make those snow angel things and all of that. Yep. So, yeah, it's coming down. It's really coming down, because what I was going to say, because I had looked out earlier today and I was like, oh, it's snowing. And but it was just a little bit out. I didn't know or think that it was even going to come down to this. Oh, is this Dollar? Oh, okay, so this is a grocery store. So this is a grocery store. I hope they have everything I need in it, please, so that I don't have to go to another store. Anyway, let me get in here. I hope I got my other glove. Let me get in here to Dollar Tree. I just need to get a five or six things, and no, you just said incense, and then you asked for oil. I said cooking oil. There's a fight in here already. Anyway, do I want this, or I don't even see any cards. Oh my goodness. I don't even see any cards, so that's okay, because I don't really need a card. Let me just get what I'm coming for. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click off here and come back on. Probably come back on when, I need another bag too. And probably come back on. But yeah, let me see if you can see this out here. I if it'll show up the snow. No, you really can't. You really can't see it, but it's falling ever so slowly. It's really cool the way it's falling ever so slowly. Yeah. Anyway, I love you very much. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hopefully I can come back and show you. Oh, look at this hedgehog. It is so cute. Is that a hedgehog or what do you call this? Porcupine or hedgehog, I think. That's cute. So yeah, I should come back and try to show you more details. Bye-bye. Love you. Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now.